गुड मॉर्निंग संपर्क। लगता है चाय कॉफी का डोज कम हो गया। गुड मॉर्निंग संपर्क। आई एम तपेश शर्मा, डायरेक्टर Tora Home Solutions, and thank you to the team for giving me opportunity to present my parichay here. So let's start. As you know, my name is Tapesh Sharma, proud son of Mahesh Sharma and Babita Sharma. I have little cute sister Unnati Sharma. Marital status जैसे मैं खुश दिख रहा हूँ आपको तो आप अंदाज़ा लगा ही चुके होंगे. Topic of interest is cricket. I was captain of Ramdev Baba College cricket team. Science and spirituality. I am also into the spirituality. You can wish me on Christmas, 25th December, and born and brought up in Nagpur. Name of company Tora Home Solutions. We are into building construction, project management consultant. Years of experience. I have passed out from Ramdev Baba in 2018. So I have total 4 years of experience, and from February I have started my business. So I am into the business from last 7 months, and in 7 months I have achieved the total turnover of 55.7 lakhs and have more than 1.5 crore of projects in hand. So in next March I will be doing business worth 2 crore rupees. And business description: we are a project management consultant company with the purpose of serving construction industry with quality, consistency and cost effectiveness. These 3 things everyone wants in their home. मैं आपका घर बन रहा है, आपको क्या चाहिए? क्वालिटी, टाइम पे कंप्लीट हो जाए और कम बजट में हो, ये चीज़ चाहिए, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं चाहिए. एंड वी प्रोवाइड प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट सॉल्यूशन टू आर्किटेक्ट्स ऑल्सो, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स एंड होम बिल्डर्स, लैंड डेवलपर्स. नेक्स्ट, I have worked on TIFAC. For TIFAC, this comes under HRD Ministry, Government of India. On that project for 10 months, it's precast construction projects. You will see in the upcoming slides. And I was a site engineer at Shapurji Palanji Private Limited for 2 years. It's a multinational company conglomerate. Educational qualification: I have done my diploma from Government Polytechnic Nagpur and degree from Ramdev Baba College of Engineering. Clubs and organization: I am really grateful to be connected with Sampark, and especially would like to thank Kailash sir for connecting me with Sampark. I am connected with ISKCON Nagpur, International Society for Krishna Consciousness, and a member of Yuva Club, that is also part of ISKCON. We help the youths for spiritual upliftment, and as I said, I am interested in cricket, so I am also part of Swaminarayan Cricket Club. Okay, personal goals. So here's some people have business. I want to learn flute by 2023. So anyone who can teach me flute, welcome. Second, I will be going by this December to the tour of Govardhan Eco Village. It's a fantastic place, 200 kilometers from Mumbai. I have visited one time, but I want to visit once again. It's a healing place. So if you can also visit there. Complete reading book. I think everyone know this name, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. That's a really fantastic book. I have completed 1 chapter, but I have to complete the full book by 23rd December. And learning about personal finance. Anil sir, you have a business here. I want to learn about personal finance and security markets. Next. So here are some business goals. So for the short term goals, as I have said, to complete the at least 5 big projects with average cost of 20 lakh rupees. So average revenue of 1 crore rupees by March 23. As I said, I will achieve it, that I know. And service criteria is as always, I want to keep it the best. And for the long term goal, by March 25, I want to achieve the total business revenue of 9 crore rupees. And the vision of my company is Sutre Mani Ganaiva. This is from Bhagavad Gita, as we have one slok that Yadadati sa prapnoti, that means the one who gives ultimately gains. So Sutre Mani Ganaiva means as the pearls are strung in a thread in a necklace. So like your everything of your company, like profit, then manpower, etc. These are all strung in one thread, and that is the purpose. So purpose of my company is to provide the best services and should be the most trusted PMC company in the industry with our service and expertise. Next, best 3 customers. First is TIFAC HRD Ministry. Please run the VRR transitions. So you will be wondering why this toilet block is here. So there is a story. This TIFAC comes under HRD Ministry, Human Resource Development. This TIFAC Council has been founded by late President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Stands for Technology Information Forecasting Assessment Council. As we all know, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is very focused on making India a developed country by 20. So by 2020. So this was a toilet block, and the man here is Anil Kakolkar sir. He is a president of TIFAC and Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Dr. Sunil Sonkusle, Preeti ma'am may know him, and Gangane family. These are US based clients. Next, customers I would like to have is architects who can take turnkey projects, homeowners, developers, builders, and interior designers.
Tapesh, you have 30 seconds to go.
Okay, run. Next. So these are my project. This is the 3D modeling of the project, and this we have constructed. Next. So this is the 3D model of the project, and this we have completed. This project has been completed in just 6 months from ground to top. Next. This is the running project in Brahmapuri, Nagpur. Next. This is the Dr. Sonkusle's clinic. The project has been completed, and I will invite sir for the shoot. Next. This is again Ganganesh family's project, has been completed and have to be shooted. Next. So purpose of life, with this I want to close, that I want to open the best in class schools where we will teach science, spirituality, sports along with academics, because my inspiration is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So he said that we need two things to develop. First is cherishing the value system and prosperity through wealth generation. So if we have these things, we will have virtuous people, virtuous officer, virtuous leader, and to become the world leader, Jagat Guru. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.